Okay, guys. So let's start word problems. काय घेऊया आपण word problems घेऊया. Now we'll see these solved examples, and then we'll move towards the practice set 12.1. Let's see the word problem. Let's learn how the information given in the word problem can be converted into an algebraic expression using variable. Good. Now काय दिलं बघा इथे. माय एज इज एक्स इयर. माझं वय किती आहे एक्स ईयर आहे असं समजूया आपण. माय एज इज एक्स इयर्स. माझं वय किती आहे एक्स ईयर आहे. मेरी उम्र है एक्स इयर्स. Then my father's age is 32 years more than my age. Okay. वडिलांचं वय 32 इयर्स ने जास्त आहे. That means father's age of the father will be what? X plus 32. It will be X plus 32. Getting? So we don't know what the age of father, but it is given that the age of the father is 32 years more than my age, right? So father's age will be X plus 32. So in this way, you can convert the given information into an algebraic expression. One uh, one more thing is given. My friend's age is 5 more than half of my age. Okay, माझ्या वयाच्या माझ्या वयाच्या हाफ पेक्षा 5 ने जास्त. So my friend's age is 5 more 5 more than what? Half of my age. My age is X. Half किती आहे? Yes. X upon 2. समजलं? So this is the algebraic expression given to us, or we have met. My grandmother's age is 10 more than 4 times my age. So 4 times म्हणजे झाले 4x plus 10. 4x plus 10. This is the age of grandmother. This is the age of grandmother. This is 4x plus 10. समजलं इथे बघा 4x plus 10 is the age. See, the information is given to us, and we are going to convert the expression. We are going to convert the information into algebraic expression. So whenever you get this algebraic expression, you'll be able to solve the problem. Sorry. Next, my sister's age is 4 less than my age. So my age is X. My sister's age will be X minus 4. Less है ना म्हणजे कमी. X minus 4. Then my mother's age is 3 times my age. 3 times my age. म्हणजे जर माझं वय X असेल, so mother's age will be 3 into X. It will be 3 into X. Getting, guys? It will be 3 into X. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and see some of the questions given to us, right? From the above information, find my age if my friend's age is 12 years. Okay, my age is X years. We have taken that, we have considered that my age is X years. Then my friend's age is what? X plus 2 up, X upon 2 plus 5. We have seen that X plus 2 upon 5. Now, this is my friend's age, X plus 2 upon 5, and it is already given that his age is 12 years. 12 years. Now we need to solve this expression. Okay, and solve kara, you'll get the answer, that is 14 years. So my age is what? It is 14 years. Similar way, you can find some other examples also. But one more activity is given to you here. So you know very well there is a rectangle here, and the length is 3 times the breadth. Length is 3 times the breadth. It is a rectangle. I'm a rectangle. My perimeter is 40 centimeter. So you know the perimeter. What is the formula of perimeter? Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. That is 2 into length plus breadth. So breadth is upon x manly. If we consider that the breadth is x, then length will be 3 times. That is 3x. Length is 3x. Actually, हम पूर्ण करूया बघा. See, breadth is equal to x, therefore length is 3 times the breadth, therefore this is your b is equal to x, and this is your l is equal to x 3 times, you know, that is 3x. 3x. Now the formula of perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So 2 into x, that is 1x plus 2 into 3x, 3x. So x plus x किती आले तुमचे? X plus 1 is equal to 4. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 2 4 जा 8, 2 4s are 8, 8x into 40, 8x into 40. Here divide kara, 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. So you get breadth of rectangle is 5 centimeter and the length, that is 3 times 5 3 is a 15 centimeter. 5 3 is a 15. So the answer is this much. Now let's see some of the solved examples. आपण आधी solved examples पूर्ण व्यवस्थित पाहूया. Then we'll move towards the practice set, guys, because this information will help us to solve the practice set also. Question number 1. Joseph's weight is 2 times the weight of his younger brother. जोसेफचं जे वजन आहे त्याच्या लहान भावापेक्षा किती आहे? 2 टाइम्स जास्त आहे, म्हणजे 2 पट आहे, दुप्पट आहे. Find Joseph's weight if sum of their weights is 63 किलोग्राम. जोसेफ आणि त्याच्या भावाच्या वजनाची जर बेरीज केली ती किती येते? 63 किलोग्राम येते. ओके, उन दोनों का जो सम है, सम म्हणजे बेरीज ऑफ देयर वेट्स, भाई और जोसेफ और उसके भाई दोनों के अगर वेट लिया और उसका सम किया, हमने एडिशन किया, देन विल गेट 63 किलोग्राम. वी हैव टू फाइंड द वेट ऑफ जोसेफ. Now let the weight of Joseph's younger brother be x. जोसेफच्या लहान भावाचं वय किती मानलं? x मानलं. जोसेफ का छोटा जो भाई है ना, सबसे जो छोटा भाई, उसका जो वेट है दैट इज x किलोग्राम. kg मीन्स किलोग्राम. नाउ जर जोसेफच्या भावाचं वजन जर x असेल and जोसेफचं वजन 2 टाइम्स आहे, दैट मीन्स जोसेफ का जो वेट आएगा वो आएगा आपका 2x. Therefore Joseph's weight is 2 times the weight of his younger brother. It is 2 into x kilogram. किती आले? 2 into x kilogram. Now from the given information, what is the information? Sum घ्यायचा आहे. Okay, from the given information, x, that is the weight of Joseph, weight of Joseph's brother, plus 2x weight of Joseph is equal to 63. दोघांची बेरीज केली, दोघांच्या वजनाची, you will get 63. किती आले दोघांच्या वजनाची बेरीज? 63. समजा the sum of their weights is equal to what? 63. Therefore इथे 1 आहे, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3x. 3x is equal to 63. X is equal to what? X is equal to 21. How come? X is equal to 63 divided by 3. 3 ने डिवाइड केलं, you will come to know that x is equal to काय ना सांगा? 3 2 is 6, 3 1 is 3. जमत नसेल तिथे साइडला असं करून बघा, मग तुम्हाला पटकन कळेल की यार डिवीजन कैसे आता है. बहुत बच्चों को नहीं समझता ये डायरेक्ट डिवीजन. So 3 2 is 6, 1, 0, here 3, 3 1 is 3 1 is 3. The answer is 0. Get it? So the x is equal to 21. X is equal to 21, but we don't want x. आपल्याला जोसेफचं वय पाहिजे ना, जोसेफचं वजन पाहिजे, जोसेफ वेट चाहिए हमको. And x is what? It is the weight of his younger brother. Therefore Joseph's weight is equal to 2 into x, that is 2 into 41 is 2 into 21 is equal to 42 kilogram. It is 42 kilogram. Let's see, guys, next question, next solve example पाहूया आपण. Now the numerator of a fraction is 5 more than its denominator. You know very well that if there is a fraction मध्ये the upper number is numerator and lower number is denominator. लक्षात घ्या. Now काय दिलं information? Numerator of fraction is 5 more than its denominator. If 4 is added to the numerator and denominator, then the fraction obtained is 6 upon 5. 6 is to 5. We have to find the fraction. आता डिनोमिनेटर छोटा आहे ना, सो डिनोमिनेटर छोटा असल्यामुळे काय घ्यायचं तुम्हाला? डिनोमिनेटर आपण x घेतला. Let the denominator fraction be x. डिनोमिनेटर जर x घेतला, then the numerator will be what? x plus 5. 5 ने मोठा आहे तो. Therefore, numerator of a fraction is 5 more than denominator. That means x plus 5 is the numerator. So fraction क्या आला? Numerator upon denominator. X plus 5 upon x. X plus 5 upon x is the fraction. Now solve it, guys. Yes. So if 4 is added to numerator as well as denominator. If 4 is added to numerator as well as denominator. So what is your numerator? X plus 5 आहे. We have added 4 to the numerator. Denominator is x. We have also added 4 here. दोन्ही बाजूला 4 4 add केला. And your fraction is 6 upon 5. 6 is to 5. So if your fraction is 6 upon 5, that is 6 is to 5. Now आता इथे solve करायचं आहे. 5 plus 4, 9. Right? 5 plus 4 किती आले? 9. So x plus 9 upon x plus 4 is equal to 6 upon 5. Here we are going to cross multiply it. काय करायचं आहे? क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय करायचं आहे, तिरकस गुणाकार करायचा आहे. क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन. काय करायचं बघा, असं करायचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन. ओके, the numerator of the first fraction and denominator of the second fraction यांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन होणार. Denominator of the second fraction and numerator of the first fraction, गडबड झाली परत. First fraction numerator, second fraction denominator, multiplication होणार like this. Second fraction denominator, first fraction denominator and second fraction numerator, असे त्यांचे multiplication होणार. So you get here 5 into bracket x plus 9, 6 into bracket x plus 4. Here multiply करो, 5 into x 5x, 5 into 9 5 and the 45, 6 into x 6x, and 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. So what do you get here, guys? 5x plus 45 is equal to 6x plus 24. Now 5 ला तिकडे घेऊन जा, its sign will change. 24 को उधर लेके जाओ, its sign will also change. That means you get here 6x minus 5x and 45 minus 24. 45 minus 24. So 6 minus 5 is equal to 1, that is x, and 45 minus 24 is equal to 21. So you got the denominator, that is 21. Denominator 21 denominator of the fraction is equal to x is equal to 21, and then numerator will be what? What is numerator? X plus 5, that is 21 plus 5 is equal to 26, and the fraction is what? This one, numerator 26 upon denominator 21. Next question, solve example पाहतो आपण. Question number 3, example number 3. Ratna has rupees 200 more than 3 times the amount Rafiq has. तर रफिककडे जेवढे पैसे आहेत ना, रफिककडे जेवढे पैसे आहेत त्याच्या 3 times म्हणजे तिप्पटीपेक्षा तिच्याकडे 200 रुपये जास्त आहेत. कोणाकडे? रत्नाकडे. Now if rupees 300 from the amount with Ratna are given to Rafiq, amount with Ratna will be 7 upon 4 times the amount with Rafiq. Find the initial amount with Rafiq. जर तिने 300 रुपये दिले रफिकला, किती रुपये दिले? 300 रुपये जर रफिकला दिले, कोणी? रत्नाने, तरी सुद्धा तिच्याकडे रत्नाकडे 7 upon 4 times पैसे राहतात रफिककडे जेवढे त्याच्या तेवढे. तर तुम्हाला विचारलं आहे व्हॉट इज द इनिशियल अमाउंट विथ रफिक. रफिककडे सुरुवातीला किती पैसे होते? So to find the initial amount, complete the following activity. This activity is given to us and many times such activity is given in the examination. Okay, चलो आज हे जरा कोरोना वगैरे आहे म्हणून ठीक आहे, तुमच्या एक्झाम्स वगैरे सध्या पण they are not been taken as such they are taken other times. म्हणजे जसं आपण रिव्ह्यू म्हणतो ना की कुठल्या पद्धतीने जसं एक्झाम तुमच्या तशा घेता येत नाही शिक्षकांना, बट स्टील आज नाही तर उद्या तुमच्या एक्झाम त्यांना घ्यावंच लागणार आहेत. किंवा ठीक आहे पुढच्याच तुम्ही जाल 9th मध्ये तो आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा ना. Now the amount with Ratna is rupees 200 more than 3 times the amount with Rafiq's. So let the initial amount with Rafiq be x. सुरुवातीला रफिककडे x रुपये होते असे आपण मानूया. So Ratna has 3x plus 200. किती येणार? Ratna has 3x plus 200. 3x plus 200. So from 300 rupees 300 from Ratna are given to Rafiq. किती दिले याच्यातले? 300 कमी केले, that is 3x plus 200 minus 300. यातले 300 रुपये परत दिले. That means किती आले? 3x minus 100 plus 200 minus 300 is equal to minus 100. Getting? तर एवढे पैसे कोणाकडे उरले? अमाउंट रत्नाकडे उरले. Now Rafiq has x plus 300. रफिककडे किती आले? x plus 300. आता रफिककडे x होते 300 रुपये ऑलरेडी त्याला दिले. कोण दिले? रत्नाने त्याला ऑलरेडी आणखी 300 रुपये दिले. Now next बघा. Yes, so now the amount with Ratna is 7 upon 4 times the amount with Rafiq. That is amount of Ratna is equal to 7 upon 4. Amount with Rafiq is 7 upon 4. 3x minus 100, x plus 300 is equal to 7 upon 4. किती आहे ना? 7 upon 4. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो. इसका क्या आएगा यहाँ पे आपको? इधर क्या है ना तुमचा 3x minus 100. इधर क्या है ना 3x minus 100. And here it will be what? 7 into x plus 30. Sorry, x plus 300. Solve this, guys. You'll get the right hand side ला solve करून दिलं होतं तुम्हाला. 3 4s are 12. 4 into 100, 100, 400. 7 into x, 7x, 7 4s are 7 3s are 21, 2100. Now solve this. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Delay already. And 21 here. 2100 is 2100 plus 400. मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं होतं 400 तिकडे गेल्यानंतर त्याचा साइन चेंज होणार. It will be positive plus 400. So you get here किती आले 2500. किती आले 2500 2500. Now solve this. You'll get 5 5 is 25. Here one more 0. So Rafiq initially had 500 rupees with him. किती आले त्याच्याकडे 500 रुपये त्याच्याकडे होते कोणाकडे रफिक कडे.